Right brain teaser from Chanel Craft, where the goal is to move this ring from the right to the left. We have these two wooden balls, and like you can see, the ball cannot pass through the ring. We have also a rope attached to the base here, passing through the yellow ball, going up, passing through this wooden ring, coming back around this pole, passing through again this wooden ring, passing through the blue ball, and finally in the base. If we try to go up with the ring, trying to pass, like you can see, that does not work. If we try this way, that does not work. How to do it? Donc, we're going to pull on the rope. We don't want to have the rope mix up. We don't want to have some things like that. That's not good. We want the right side and the left side, like you can see. Right side and left side. I'm going to pull on this side and on this side. Okay, this will be the rope. And we are in these positions. Now I'm take the rope on both sides and bring back on the top of the wooden loop or ring if you want. Next, I'm going to take this part of the rope, move on the other side, like that. I'll pull on the rope, like you can see, the rope is in these positions. Now I'm going to take the ring, and the ring needs to pass through this part of the rope. Donc we just pull the rope, take the ring pass, and we let the ring on the side. Now, I'm in this positions with the rope. This needs to pass through. Donc you push the rope, at the same time you pull here to have easy, and you push the rope on the other side. Donc we pull the rope. We are in these positions. Now the ring going to pass through this part of the rope and through this one. Donc we just need to play with the rope, trying to have the maximum. Donc the ring pass through this part. One. We do with the other one. Just pull the rope. We pass the ring, and now I'm going to bring back the rope through the hole of the wooden ring. Donc we just pull. We are here. The ring here, it's here. The ring going pass through here, like that. Like you can see, is on the blue ball. And now we're going to put back the rope in its original position. So just bring back this on the top, just pull, and like you can see, we have successfully moved the ring from the yellow ball to the blue ball. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen. Thank you very much.